This is so boring. Boring. Bored, boring.
Remember, you've got to write that proposal.
Everybody dance now.
Come on. To make 6 training videos for that company's internal training, to train their team. You are my fire, though. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a toothpaste. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say. Come on. Remember to take a selfie. You can't take one here. This is too ugly. You need new flowers, you need candles, you need to buy that gong. Come on. Tighter fitting clothes as well, some yoga clothes, and show more flesh. Take a selfie and then you can return it all afterwards. I'm sure no one will know. It's okay, it's fine. These thoughts. God, how do I do this? Give that a go. Oh, remember when you take that selfie, you've got... No, it doesn't matter. Can't believe the neighbours were having a party. All those people, no one was wearing... Why do you even bother? We have joy, we have fun, flicking bogey. Chicken biryani, chicken. Your script deadline's on Friday. Remember those 2 episodes you've got to... When the sun gets too hot, Hey, it's Anise here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please click like and remember to subscribe. Click the bell as well so you get notifications every Wednesday. Coffee and Wisdom, sharing a bit of fun and some insights to help you find more joy in your life. Yeah, just a bit more, just a little bit more joy.